Dear students, myself Dr. Sanjay Sangre, Assistant Professor in Geography, Rao Bahadur Narayan Rao Borauke College, Srirampur. Today we will discuss on the syllabus MA/MSc second semester syllabus in Geography, that is the credit system, revised syllabus from June 2020. The name of the course is Geography of Rural Development. There are 4 credits syllabus. Let us discuss on the topic which is covered in syllabus. Topic first is Introduction to Rural Development. In this topic, we have to discuss on the concept of rural development, geography and rural development, nature and scope of rural development, and last, aims and objective of rural development. The topic second is factors affecting on rural development. In this chapter, we discuss geographical factors, social factors, economic factors, and last one is rural demography. So these are the factors affecting on rural development. Topic third is rural basic services and infrastructures. In this topic, we discuss on the rural housing and rural health, drinking water and sanitation, rural electrification and energy, rural education, rural connectivity. In this point, transportation and communication is very important. Topic 4, rural development planning. In this topic, there is a planning for rural development, planning process, level and types of planning, multi-level planning, district planning, grassroots planning, then rural development planning in India. Last one is integrated rural development program, that is IRDP. In this IRDP, we discuss on the Manrega and NRLM. Topic 4, topic 5, government policies and rural development. In this topic, we discuss on three subpoints. The first is role of government in rural development, major issues and challenges in context to India. Then last is green revolution and rural development. Topic 6 is role of rural institution in development. In this topic, we have to discussion about definition of rural institutions, types, structure and characteristics of rural institutions. Then Panchayati Raj institutions, the structure, function and problem of Panchayati Raj institution. Then cooperatives, NABARD, regional rural bank, primary agriculture credit societies and SHGs, structure and function. And last is non-government organization, that is NGOs and rural development. Then topic 7 is application of computer and information technology in rural development. There is a e-governance, e-agriculture, generation of resource data, sources acquisitions, structure, transportation into map, diagram, visual presentation for better comprehensions, and applications of cartographic techniques. Last is application information technology and geographical information system, that is GIS, in rural development like smart village. Topic 8 is rural management. In this topic, we will discuss on smart village concept and structure, watershed management and rural development, problem and prospects of rural development in India, management of tribal villages, and last, case study of rural development, Ralegan Siddhi or Hivre Bazar. There is some reference books. We discuss on, there are some books which is important. Agriculture and Rural Development in India, Global Vision Publishing House. The author is Chamora SD and Bharti Aniruddha. This is one of the book is important. Then Economic Survey of India 2019, you can use 2020 if available. Then Rural Development Principles, Policies and Management. This book is important. The author is Katar Singh. Then India, a comprehensive geography. Author is Khullar RD and publication is Kalyani Publishers. Then there is one book is important, that is rural development. Himalaya publication. The author is Satya Sundaram. So these are the some important books. And another book is important, rural development concept, approaches and strategy. The author is Prasad BK. So these are some important books for your syllabus. Thank you.